What's up, YouTube? Get him here. Chainsaw Man, chapter 86. Last chapter was a really interesting chapter. We got to see that Kobeni is now working at the family restaurant. They got the meat, lettuce, tomatoes, beef, you know what I'm saying? And then she kept spilling the fucking cheeseburger, which I felt bad for her. You know what I mean? She's trying her best. She did what she wanted to do. She got out of the can't think of it right now. She got out of the devil hunters. You know what I'm saying? She did what she wanted to do. Look at her now. Look, my whole forehead's wet. I just got out the shower. But anyway, hop back in this. I want to see Kobeni remember or Denji recognize Kobeni. That's what I want to see. You know, I'm really looking forward to that. Hoping it's that. But anyway, I'm gonna get right into this. Yeah, I'm sorry. Is this a hidden camera prank? Huh? There's no way she tripped twice, right? I get it. This is a hidden camera show. We're being punked. Hey, you're watching, aren't you? We know this is all a prank. Oh, I'm not on the thing. He chopped another motherfucker's head off, bro. Wow. And I'm not gonna keep making these sounds. But yeah, I will. Wow, wow. Ooh, ung. Yeah. Ooh, good nah. I'm not good at this. But she put the cheeseburger together, slapped it back together, gave it to him. Denji ate the cheeseburger. I want to go on a date with a girl so bad. Is he coming back? Why? Why? She's literally not saying words. Hold on, wait a second, bro. Wait. He's literally taking Kobeni on a date. Forcefully. When they left the family burger, I'm gonna say fairy burger. Got her an ice cream, destroys the ice cream truck. It doesn't taste like anything. I feel so bad for her. Does she know that that's Denji? Because who else would be the chainsaw? But she also has showed no recollection. I don't even know what the word would be right now. She showed no she doesn't act like she knows who he is. You know what I mean? Game center. Oh ho, pretty strong looking devil for the dispatch. I accepted. Don't be afraid, miss. It's safe now that I'm here. There goes another motherfucker's head, bro. How many people has Denji killed? If he comes back to reality, he's not gonna be able to live with himself, I don't think. Because he has progressed very far in the personality aspect of his life. Like, he's gonna feel like shit for killing all of these people. No, eek. He's, Vance, Vance, dance. What? Yo, is he gonna make her dance with him? Hey, you have to put some money in to dance, so I can't. What do you do? Just break the fucking thing? Oh, he sliced it in half. But I've never done it before. Never, so look at her go, bro. What the fuck, man? She's bawling her eyes out doing it. Step 1 2 1 2 eek 1 2 3 4 1 2 Hold on, I looked a little too far. You got Denji sitting on the corner. It seems we've been noticed. Yo, bro, hold up, bro. Come out, everyone. Oh, bro, my man is gonna snap, bro. My man is gonna snap. And I'm sorry if that was loud if you got headphones on, because I watched my fucking mic monitor move up and that shit went red, so my bad. Gotta impress Miss Makima a little on our first operation. Shall we turn it into a competition? The first of us to take its head wins the right to ask Makima on a date, for instance. There's no point for you to win then. If you ask Makima out, all you'll get is misery. Everyone really loves Miss Makima, don't they? Bro. Whoa. What? That should go without saying. Miss Makima has saved our lives over and over again. Well, I think she'd be bored on a date with a man. Bro, wait. I was wondering why all these motherfuckers look familiar. These are like all the dead devils, right? Bro, hold the fuck on, man. What the fuck is her power? You're all out of line. I'll protect you, Miss Makima. I like it. Whoever takes down Chainsaw Man gets a date with me. Bro, my man Denji's gonna fuck all these motherfuckers up, bro. I'm telling you. Bro, yo, hold up. Bro. What is her power? What is... He's gonna fuck them up, man. Like, he has to, bro. Look at this. Porco Benny. She's just in there dancing. And people about to fucking die outside. Like, I think they're gonna die. I thought they were already dead. I don't know, man. I really don't. My man Denji gonna fuck shit up, though. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll be back next Monday. Same shit. Chainsaw Man. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that stupid shit. I'll catch you next time. Thank you.